This is the K-Picture Test screening book for screening the visual acuity of children as soon as they can name simple pictures, which can be as young as 18 months of age. It uses these 6 validated picture optotypes. It's a compact A5 size book for testing at 3 metres and near. It starts with uncrowded pictures at the larger sizes and has single crowded and linear crowded at the smaller sizes. The size range is from 1.0 to -0.1 logmar. Before you begin testing, show the pictures close up and ask the child to name them, and then you can hear the words they use for each picture. They may say sounds such as quack for duck. If the child isn't particularly talkative, you can give them the card and ask them to point to each optotype. If the child uses sign language, these pictures are really easy to sign. Open the book from the front and you'll see the instructions are printed on the inside covers. When you open the book, there's a tab on the right hand side and it shows the picture and an acuity size from 1.0 to 0.5. These pictures are uncrowded and will give you an estimate of the child's vision. With your right thumb, choose the picture and size that you want to show and then flip the page over to show the child. Ignore the pictures that are facing you. When you're done with that size, choose another picture. With your thumb, flip the page over to show the child. Again, ignoring these pictures here. In the top left-hand corner of the page facing you is a printed reminder of the picture and the sizes in logmar, Snellen meters and Snellen feet. To continue testing at sizes smaller than 0.5, open the book from the back where you'll find the near test card, and on the tab you'll see sizes 0.4 to -0.1. These pictures are crowded and will give you an accurate visual acuity measurement that you can compare with your screening protocol. From 0.3 size, you can choose to show a row of pictures or a single picture, depending on the age and concentration levels of the child being tested. You just cover up the one you're not using so the child knows where to look. The picture on the tab relates to the single picture that you're showing the child. When you come to test the other eye, choose a different set of pictures to avoid the child remembering. You can refer to the chart on the inside of the back cover for a per picture measurement if using the linear crowded option. There's a choice of 3 uncrowded pictures and 2 different crowded options at each acuity size. Sometimes it helps if a child can practice the pictures at home and be confident in them before you test them. And we have a recognition booklet and an app called K Say and Match available on the App Store.